In this video, we are going to show you how to deposit Bitcoin into your 5-key vault. When you open the Casa app, you will see the 5-key vault for Bitcoin. Tap on the center of the vault. Tap on the button that says Receive. Next, you will be presented with a Bitcoin address. You can scan this QR code or tap the Copy button to copy the address to your clipboard. Take note of the first 5 and last 5 characters of the address. You will want to confirm these characters before sending any Bitcoin from your exchange or other wallet. Once the transaction has been broadcast from your exchange or wallet, it will display in your 5-key vault transactions list. You can tap on the transaction to see more details or add a memo.